How to hide your following list on Instagram. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure you're logged in. Next, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner to go to your profile page. Once you're there, tap the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu. You will get to Settings and Activity page. Now scroll down and tap Account Type and Tools. If your account is set as a professional account, switch it back to a personal account. If you are already using a personal account, you can skip this step. Once that is done, go back to the Settings and Activity menu and tap Account Privacy. Here you'll see the option of Private Account. Toggle it on and confirm your choice. When your account is private, only people you approve as followers can see your full following and followers lists. If someone who doesn't follow you visits your profile, they'll only see the number of accounts you follow, but they won't be able to tap and view the complete list. Keep in mind, Instagram doesn't have a feature to hide your following list completely, but making your account private is the best way to control who can see it. And that's it. Now you've tightened up your Instagram privacy. If this video helped you out, drop a like, leave a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.